What's up, guys? It's Desert Bug out here with another video. This one is the 2.05 scale Colt Python. Super cool little revolver. I like these little half scale revolvers too. They're cool. Pull the trigger, cock it. See the cylinder rotating. To open it, you gotta pull that back. Then you can open it. It's got little rounds in there. Let's see if I can. These rounds might be stuck in there. I don't know. Let's see. Alright, let's see here. There we go. So this is what the rounds look like. Tiny little rounds. But yeah, so that's the Colt Python. It says 357 on it, but the rounds are kind of small for a 2.05 scale, but it's still cool. It's kind of a darker chrome color. The grip is plastic, rest of it's metal. I sprayed my grips with Plasti Dip to give it that rubbery feel. Just feels cooler to me. Quick little hack, by the way. And yeah, that's it. Pretty cool. Colt Python. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, tell your friends. Like my video if you liked it. And stay tuned for more. Oh, don't forget to follow me on Instagram too, at Desert Bug Out. Thanks for watching. Peace.